Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm excited because I am going to unbox my Serger 1034DX. Guys, I saw this at Walmart. It was only 2 left. It was $1.99. So you know I jumped on this as soon as possible. So if you're looking for to start off, you want a cheap Serger, go to Walmart ASAP. Okay, so I'm excited to try this out because I sew a lot of stuff for my kids, like projects for my PJs and shirts and pants, like little things. And you know, I would always have to do my own kind of thing so the fabric doesn't break apart. But let's get started. So, okay, cool. Yes. Yes.
What are you doing?
Do you need help?
Yes. He wants to just make a room.
Hold on 1 second. My dog got a haircut. Look how cute. Say hi. Say hi. 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 Alright. So, it comes with a manual, which is what I'm going to need. A CD, which, oh, it's a DVD. This is good, DVD. And a manual. All right. I'm so scared, guys. I hope I know what I'm doing. Do you think I know what I'm doing? No, I don't know what I'm doing. Different kind of presser foots. Comes with some needles. And these and some of these. Okay. Alright guys, this was just a quick unboxing. I have to read the manual and go through everything, but I will do a video on how to thread this. But I just wanted to let you guys know that it does come with thread. I'm gonna show you, hold on. So pretty much, you know, I'm happy that it does come with some thread, so you know you could get that test drive and see how it works. But these are the features. I am actually very happy. Yeah guys, oh cool. I can't wait. Alright guys, so I plugged in the machine, okay? I left the settings the way they came out of the box. And this is, I opened this up, I took the sample sheet out. And this right here is how you see? Okay, I didn't even know that, so I was looking over here for the razor, like to raise up the foot. I couldn't figure it out, but for those of you that are struggling, okay? So now what you do is and all you have to do is put the fabric in, bring the princess foot down, and then okay, and then there you go. Okay, I didn't see a threader cutter. I still have to read the manual, but I'm using my scissors, and there you go.